Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid airbag faults. This is critical. Next, remove lower trim and kick panels with a plastic trim tool and a 7mm socket so you can reach screws behind them. Once glove box stops are unlatched, open and support the glove box to expose the lower dashboard fasteners. This first access reveals most hidden bolts and electrical connectors, so take care to note each fastener location as you go. Once panels are accessible, label and unplug HVAC, radio, and instrument cluster connectors so you can reassemble without guesswork. Then remove bezel and center stack screws using T20 and T30 drivers, and ease the center stack forward to reveal hidden harnesses. Make sure a helper supports the dash while you remove the main crossbar bolts and under dash screws. This prevents sudden drops that can damage clips and wiring. Keep fasteners organized by location. You and a helper should lift the dash evenly, checking continuously for remaining clips and harnesses so nothing tears. If airbag modules remain attached, confirm the battery has been isolated for the manufacturer-specified wait time before disconnecting them. This avoids shocks. Once free, move the dash to a padded workbench and inspect all connectors, clips, and mounting points for damage. Repair or replace broken clips before reinstall so fit and safety are restored. If wire
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.